Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add shipping costs. So simply first of all open the products option, and now here you can see we want to add a new product. Just click on add a product. So here type the product name and give all the information here. Now what we need to do, just after adding the name and all the details, so here you can also add the price, image. So multiple options available here. So after creating this product, just we move to settings. So here go to shipping and delivery, and now here what we need to do, just click on manage, and here you can see our standard shipping rate is free. You can also add the shipping cost here. Just add a rate, click here. So when you click on add a rate, you can also add the shipping rate here, like I am typing this rate. So after typing the rate, you can click on save button. So in this way you can add a shipping cost in Shopify.